there's that incredible roll rate. And then look at that. He hits the brakes in the sky, ladies and gentlemen. That is literally like slamming on your brakes. Upside down, ladies and gentlemen.
All right, guys, we're at Andrews Air Force Base and currently watching the whatever that's called. So I'm gonna turn the camera over so you guys can see.
We'd also like to say a big shout out to Verizon and AT&T for bringing in extra cell towers to help support the air show this weekend. So thank you to Verizon and AT&T. Watch his air in reposition, going straight up, tumbling across the top. Watch this. He's going to slow the aircraft way down. Look at this. He pulls that tail up underneath him. Holds it, holds it, holds it. Again, it's got an airspeed well below stall speed. That's the power of the engine keeping him up. Points the nose down to quickly accelerate. Again, airspeed always essential for the next aerobatic maneuver. Here we go. Going vertical now. Going straight up. Slow rolls on the vertical upline. Now watch his aircraft again, just begins to slow way down. Still rolling the aircraft. Building up airspeed tremendously as it points down and heads towards showdown. Again, there's that roll rate right into a knife edge climb. Tumble back into knife edge climb. Snap back. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Holding the aircraft on the nose one more time, rolling, spinning, going, and roll. Finally, gravity pulls that nose down.